Good morning. So today is October 12. So our date of appointments INIS Department of Justice for application of IRP card. So this is our second week. Mabuti na nagkaroon tayo ng appointment ng maaga. And so what you need to prepare is, syempre ako employed ako, critical skills employment permit holder ako, and then my wife joined me and my son. So ang bata hindi siya kailangan ng IRP card. Kami lang dalawa mag-asawa. So ako, ang kailangan ko ipakita, unang gagawin mo, tatawag ka doon sa landline nila to set an appointment. Tapos tatanungin ka nila yung PPSN number mo, passport number mo, and then mag-i-email sila kung anong kailangan mo. And then ang kailangan mo, proof of address. So kung hindi pwede yung temporary accommodation, so you can look for a friend na mayroon ng permanent address, and then ipahingi ka ng utility bill nila, ilagay yung pangalan mo at saka pangalan ng asawa mo, kasi kung dalawa kayo. Pero kung ako lang mag-a-apply, pangalan ko lang. Pero kung dalawa, both. So aside from that, dapat printed yon. Tapos employment contract, work permit, passport. So kami mag-asawa, kami dalawa nag-apply. Buti na lang dinala ko yung marriage certificate namin. Tapos ano pa? Yun, 300 euro for each for application of IRP card. So what is IRP card? IRP card is you need to comply kasi yung visa namin is only valid for 3 months, and that would extend you for 1 year. So if hindi kami nag-apply ng IRP card, paglagpas na 90 days, so then we will be an illegal resident here. So yun lang. And ano pa ba? Yung kailangan i-print mo yung email, tapos may form doon na kailangan mong i-complete. So yan, so nandito kami ngayon sa saan tayo? Nasa Burgqui. So hindi namin alam to.
Saka ang good news is yung credit card namin from Philippines, nagamit
yan. Oo, pwede magamit.
Wala pang
yeah,
so,
thank you.
Card, thank you, Union Bank.
So may pa-shoutout pa ko. Ito yung view namin, yan. So yan yung may ano dyan, may river. So ngayon pupunta kami ng Dondrum. Pupunta kami kung saan kami lilipat for permanent address namin. So keep your receipts. So ayan. So next time hindi na muna kailangan pumunta dito kasi online renewal na siya. So ayun, 300 din ulit. Woo! Bye-bye. To God be the glory.